So that's we introduced the idea of the discourse structure. So the discourse structure basically try to examine the structural relationship between the nodes in the strategy discussion. So basically here we look at the build-on relationship, and we know that the build-on relationship is different from like the participant structure. Is like directional. We can only build like we build on something, but on the nodes, but cannot be the other way, right? But for the participant, like the social network analysis for the participants, like I write to you, you can write to me. So it's a different concept. And so discourse structures, we put weights and in order to calculate like the importance of that node based on how many children were posted in response to the parent node. Well, this is like a technical way we deal with this discourse structure. So this is just to give you an example. Like we simplify an online thread discussion. So definitely, like on your left, the way of discussion is definitely different from the thread discussion on the right. So we want to see like how important of some nodes and the location there, the influence here. And we also introduce the level of grounds to analyze and to characterize the influential of these nodes. So basically, this is the example of the coding schema. Like we use the literature from Clark and Sampson. We look at I introduced earlier on. We look at the claim, the evaluation, information, and the questions. So for some categories, we further categorize, like for example, the claim, we put it as the seeded claim or the extended claim. And for the evaluation, we're particularly interested in different types of evaluation. Agree or agree with certain grounds or disagree. And what type of disagree? Is it politely disagree or implied disagree? So sorry, I put it just in Chinese for the major audience here. And for the level of grounds, like we try to see if there's evidence involved, if there's explanation involved, or both of the evidence and explanation involved. So the data set, like it's the knowledge forum data base, and we took from one of the humanity class, involved like 136 nodes there and 40 students here, and they are talking about energy problems. Basically, we try to use different methods to analyze data. We have the basic like descriptive analysis of this online discourse, like APK analysis. We also run a simple correlations to see if there's correlation between the level of grounds and the participant structure and the discourse structure. We also try to use an ANOVA and t-test to see if the different types of discourse have different level of grounds and the participant structure and the discourse structure. So the preliminary result have shown some interesting findings. We find like there is positive correlation, even though the correlation is relatively low, but we have significant results showing the nodes indecisiveness and inclusiveness positively related to the level of grounds. So in another word, we find the level of grounds positively correlated to the nodes in degree, so that the higher level of grounds of the node, the more influential the node is. So that means like they have more build-ons to these nodes. So that basically gives us some idea, like characterize like why certain nodes have more follow-ups, and well, we still have some other findings, but just basically that's the preliminary interesting findings to share with you here. And as to if this research is controversial or profitable, I think I would leave the audience like to comment on this. Thank you.